Hello, this is Leo from Tip-Top Stage Light, and you can see this is the wireless pen for the stage light damage control. And this model is you can see this is the female. This is female one, and this is the male one. And you can see these 3 pin coated with gold. This is the yellow color. Can you see? This is the wireless pen, and you can see this is the male, this is the female, and you can use this one to be the receiver or translator. This is 2-in-1 function, not only transmitter or receiver. This is 2-in-1. This is 2-in-1 pen, and if you connect to the controller, and you can see this controller have these 2 sockets, so you can connect this one or this one. For example, you connect this one to the controller, and this one you can connect to the power light. And you can see this position for the power cable, this hole for the power cable, and this hole for the frequency change. You can use a sharp one to press this hole, and this is the power cable connected to this pen, wireless pen. This is the power cable. Now I show you how to change the color by this one. Okay, now we connect this male one to this controller, and this female one connected to this DMX cable and to the power light. And you can see the green light is flash, and the transmitter have the red light. And now you can control the wireless for the power light. See. So this is the control, and this pen control the distance 100 meters, no problem. This is power cable, and this power cable you can see the specification. Can you see? This is the 5 ampere, or 5 voltage and 1 ampere. Let's check. This plug have the EU and US type.